Hello to all my subscribers. Today's video is a little bittersweet. I wanted to give you a little heads up on things to come. Now, I've recently been diagnosed with lung cancer, so I'm going in for treatment. My videos, which I still hope to post twice a week, might look a little different. I'll look a little different one way or the other. I'm soon to shave my head. And so therefore the videos might look different when I'm in them. I may or may not have the introduction where you'll see my face. Some videos, if I'm not up to it, will just be the actual process video. But I hope to see you in the videos. I might wear a wig, I might wear a scarf or a hat, or who knows, I might even go bald. I'm in great hands, I'm going in for my treatment, and it's kind of changed my perspective on my artwork. All in a good way. My artwork is so enjoyable for me. I find it to be freeing and a great outlet, a way that I can process different things. And in this case, it's something kind of emotional and traumatic, the cancer diagnosis and the treatment. My artwork, since I had the diagnosis, has kind of reflected a different attitude, a little more carefree and a little more intentional. And that's kind of the way that we grow as artists. I hope you'll continue to join me on this journey. I don't need anything from you. I just wanted to explain to you why things might look a little different, at least for the short term. As always, thank you all for your support, your kind words, and your viewership. I've made some wonderful friendships through this channel and got to know some of you very well. So thank you for your support as always.